Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. This week we got big news. Jackery Solar Homepower 3600 Plus is now here. Crazy discount going on, and you get a free Explorer 300 with it. And if you're in a hurry and just trying to get this deal, feel free to use the links in the comments or description to get over to this page, get a good discount, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, I'm going to go over all the details on this brand new portable power station. This thing can power your entire home. Here is the featured summary. You got 10-year lifespan, 6,000 cycles plus. That's over 10 years charging and discharging this every single day, and you can continue to use it after that. World's lightest and smallest. This is 3.6 kilowatts LFP battery cells, 34% smaller and 29% lighter. You can get up to 14 days of fridge backup on this. You got 3,600 watt output, emergency backup, one-touch manual transfer switch. It's got everything built right in. Up to 21 kilowatt hour expandable with the extra batteries. It comes with a 5-year warranty, so they're very confident in this product. You can control this with the app, or it's got built-in controls you can use as well. Strong wind resistance, 25% high conversion using these Solar Saga solar panels. So you got consistent power for your core essentials. It's going to be great in the kitchen, high power expandable capacity, and it's great for the living room, quiet, emission-free, sustainable energy for your home, indispensable in the office. It's got that 10 millisecond UPS that kicks in with pass-through charging feature. You can plug this into the wall and actually keep things plugged into it and use the power from your home. And in the event of an outage, the batteries will be fully charged, ready to go, and it'll switch over so fast, none of your equipment will even notice. It won't interrupt your gaming, and it's great for sensitive medical devices. Great in the laundry room, it's got built-in 240 volt, dual voltage, easily run high-demand devices. And this is the ultimate perfect companion for RV. Really add some convenience, this is the way to go. Great and durable out in the yard, hooked up to your Solar Saga solar panels, luggage style design with wheels and telescopic handle for effortless rolling around the home. This is a standard essential home backup solution, all built into one. Don't have to worry about hooking inverters and all kinds of different things together, and you can upgrade it later. Powering a family of 3 for over 2 weeks, 3,600 watt output, 3,584 watt hour capacity, expandable up to 21 kilowatt hours. Capable of powering a fridge for a family of 3 for up to 14 days. 3,600 watt, and it's got 7,200 watts with the 120 240 volt in parallel dual voltage, running high demand appliances, fridge, water pumps, dryers, all at once. And you got 10 plus years lifespan, 6,000 cycles. That's in excess of 10 years if you use this every single day, completely charging it and discharging it. Includes a 3-year standard warranty and 2-year extension for above industry standards for long-term peace of mind. Outstanding performance at -4 degrees Fahrenheit, built for safety. From 113 degrees heat waves to -4 degree blizzards. No matter the extreme, this power you can always count on. Equipped with new high temp resistant ceramic membrane battery cells. Tested at 302 degrees Fahrenheit. The Jackery 3600 Plus reliably prevents thermal runaway and significantly boosts safety. It's got multiple protections safe for kitchen use. Surge protection for up to 2,000 volts prevents short circuits and fire risks. Kitchen safe with UL 945 VA fire rating, 60 degrees Celsius cutoff, and UL 2743 certified. Dual chip temperature control. Complete backup for critical circuits. Plug and play emergency backup in just 2 seconds. One-touch MTS switching delivers consistent power in essential spaces. Kitchen, office, living room with quick and hassle-free setup. This is one of the lightest and smallest for its class at 3.6 kilowatt hour. Patented CTB technology for a compact build, 34% smaller and 29.3% lighter within its class. I have the Homepower 3000 right in front of me, and this is about the same size as 2 kilowatt from Bluetti. Both amazing portable power stations, but Jackery really is beating everybody on the weight factor. And it's easy to move power anywhere. It's got luggage style design with wheels and telescopic handle for easy rolling from room to room. Always ready for emergencies, plug and play hurricane backup in 2 seconds. Jackery's zero drain technology delivers ultra low self-discharge for reliable year-round standby power. Paired with all new 500X Solar Saga, you got a nice setup here. These can deliver 25% solar efficiency. And it's got this new pioneering M-shaped design offering bifacial energy generation, eliminates front shading, and secures with rope and stake insulation to withstand strong winds. Really a different solar panel setup. It's unique and actually very innovative. So the Homepower 3600 is faster, safer, and quieter. With exclusive Charge Shield 2.0 featuring AI variable speed algorithms reaching full in just 2 hours, upgraded smart temperature controls delivers whisper quiet operation at less than 30 decibels. These are very, very efficient running devices, so they're actually getting very, very quiet. And you got super fast charging. You can charge this completely in just 2.5 hours from your wall outlet or a gas generator. And you can charge AC and DC at the same time in just 2 hours. That is insane. And you can get solar charging 1000 watts in just 4 hours. There's a lot to go over here, but I wanted to touch on everything. Some really great features that they also have is you're able to customize charging, lets you schedule charging at different times of the day, and it's got auto shut off delivering daily energy savings. And you can instantly save money on your power bills, cut costs with solar charging priority and scheduling this charging. Basically, you would schedule it so this charges during the time of the day when energy costs the least. And then when energy costs spike, you can use the battery power that you've stored. And we already talked about the UPS switching, but it's instant. Less than 10 milliseconds uninterrupted power for your home essentials, computer, and medical equipment. That is really nice to have because that means you can plug this into the wall and charge it and use it at the same time. A lot of portable power stations you can't do that with. So right now there's an insane discount, over $1,000 off, and also including a free gift with that. So take advantage while it lasts. Use the links in the comments or description to get right over here, get a good deal, and help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. And you can subscribe to my channel 100% for free just by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to get over here to hear about these limited deals.